morning, I'm Bev Wium, plant-based doc. This morning I feel like making pancakes for breakfast. I have some ground oat flour, it's about half a cup. And then I'm going to put in about a quarter of a teaspoon of ground, or half a teaspoon of ground flax seeds. And about a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder. We also need some salt. I'll put a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And then I've also got some almond milk which I made yesterday, and we put half almond milk, so I'm going to just measure out an amount of almond milk that I think I'm going to need. Half almond milk and half water. Put filtered water in there, so that's the mix. This is the concentrated amount, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of olive oil in there. So I'm going to sift this, and once it's sifted, then I will stir in the wet ingredients. Okay, so that's sifted. Now I'm going to start slowly whisking in my milk and water mix. I always put just a few squirts of oil in. I don't use oil in the pan when I make the pancakes, so that little bit of oil just stops it from sticking. And you just keep adding your milk and water. Now the flaxseed in here causes it to thicken. So even once you finish mixing it, you're going to let it stand for about 5 minutes so that it can thicken. So I'm going to finish mixing it in here like this, but then I'm still going to blend it in my little mill attachment of my Magimix. It's best not to over blend something that has oats or oat flour in, otherwise it goes all slimy and sticky. Okay, so this has been standing while I'm waiting for my pan to heat up, and it's thickened, so I'm going to have to add some more liquid to it because it's a bit too thick to make pancakes. So I'll just shake that in. My pan is nice and hot, and if you want to come a bit closer, we'll show you how we're going to pop it into the pan. I make small pancakes, pour it in, and then I tilt it round and round like that. I'm just loosening all the edges. These pancakes need a little more attention than normal pancakes because there's very little oil and very special ingredients in there. Now I'm going to flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Your pancake mixture may thicken as you go along, so just keep adding a little more liquid and shake it in if needed. Right, so I've decided I feel like sweet pancakes this morning, so I'm putting some macadamia butter on this one, and to make it nice and yummy, some coconut nectar. In fact, I'll do both of them like that. I'm going to roll it up and enjoy my pancake. Enjoy making your pancakes. Bye.